guys, Osa here and welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited. I just ordered the K18 hair products. Okay, so while I've been on my hiatus and just away, I was like really obsessed with the K18, watching basically every YouTube video I can find that had like natural hair. Some people had heat damaged hair, and I was like, okay, I'm sitting here in the office. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to order it. So I wind up ordering the products and they are on their way. I cannot wait to get my hands on them. And then, of course, I'm going to come on my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how I use it and review it. First of all, their video, which I'll insert in this video, is like epic. It just makes you like, it just really like, it's so catchy, it's intriguing, and it's just great marketing, right? Like, besides whether the product works or not, like just the video alone just makes you want to try their products. They're very expensive, very pricey, but for healthier hair, it just makes me want to try it. So they got me hooked. I cannot wait to get my hands on it. As soon as it arrives, I will definitely upload it to my channel. Okay, so here is the K18 clip. Please enjoy. I absolutely love it, and I hope that you guys will too. Okay guys, tell me that that video was not epic. Did you love it as much as I did? Like I said before, I cannot wait for my products to get here. I'm really looking forward to getting my hands on that K18, the K18 products. I ordered the line. So yeah, so I can't wait to try it out. Let me know down below if you guys have already tried it, what you think of it. Have you watched any reviews on it already? I'm really like stoked. I'm really excited about it. So anyway, I love you. Have a good day. I'm doing so well with posting each day. I thought it would be a lot harder than what I had anticipated, but I'm just being very conscious about making sure that I'm sticking to my word of posting every single day, whether people watch or not. I just want to keep my word. So anyway, thank you again for the love and support. I really appreciate it. And of course, like every YouTuber says and does, like that's just kind of part of it. Like if you enjoy the content that I make, feel free to subscribe. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys. Okay, look at you making it to the end of the video. So if you are interested, I have some other links right here that you can click on to see what I do here on this channel. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.